Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. In this lesson, students are introduced to is, are, and am. By the end of this video, students will be able to make and write sentences using is, are, and am. Use I, you, he, she, we, and they in their sentences. Let's start our lesson. Who are they? Do you know? No problem. I am going to introduce them. He is Osman. She is Aisha. She is Zainab. She is Usma. Listen them what they are saying. This is Osman. He says, I am Usman. Am is always used with I. Osman says, I am Muslim. Am is always used with I. He says more, I am 6. Students, use I to talk about yourself. Remember, use I to talk about yourself. This is Aisha. She says he is Usman. We use is for one person. Aisha says she is Zainab. We use is for one person. Zainab has a beautiful teddy bear. She says, this is my teddy bear. We use is for one object. This is a motorcycle. This is a car. We use is for singular nouns. Singular means one. Look at this. This is Aisha and this is Usma. Aisha says, you are Usma. Are is used with you. She says more about Usma. You are good. Students, remember, when you talk to someone, you call him or her you. When you talk to someone, you call him or her you. Aisha says, they are children. They are happy. We use are for more than one person. Look at these children. What are they doing? They say, we are friends. We are friends. We are reading. Are is used with we. Are is used with we. Remember, use we to talk about yourself when you are more than one. Use we to talk about yourself when you are more than one. These are helicopters. These are aeroplanes. We use are for more than one object. Let's revise what we have learned. Am is used with I. For example, I am Muslim. I am 5 years old. This is is. Is used with he. He is Ali. Is used with she. She is a tall girl. Is used with this and singular nouns. Sana is 6. The ball is red. Are is used with you. You are Ahmad. Are is used with they. They are girls. Are is used with we. We are Muslims. Are is used with plural nouns. The toys are red. Students, I hope you have learned is or am. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.